So today we're at Chester Lakes and the cars are just starting to arrive now. So give another 20 minutes or so and we'll get some footage. Now we have had a really nice bacon, sausage and egg this morning for breakfast. Ilana's had a time out brownie. Yeah, so it's worth turning up to these events early just for the breakfast. So we met up with Wirral Minis just before 9 at the Tudor Rose, our normal place, and then we drove through Harding and ended up here at Chester Lakes. Now this is like a campsite stroke fishing lake, and it's got a car show. Now just as you can see there, we're at 248 subscribers and 98% of our viewers aren't subscribed yet, so go and show the channel a little bit of love. That moke was absolutely brilliant. I did like that coming in. This is Wirral Minis, so we've all parked together. And what's this I see here? That's right, ladies and gents, Teddy is back on the road. Thank you, Graham, for all your hard work getting this one up and running again, and he actually managed to get back again with no issues, so he gets a gold star. Here's Caddy again. We see him quite regularly at these shows now. As I said before, I do love this moke, and if we lived in a warmer country, I'd probably get one. The cars were coming and going all morning, so if I haven't got yours on video or photo, I apologise. There's just something about a Toyota Supra that cries out Gran Turismo for me on the original PlayStation. With this being a small meetup, it was nice not to be overrun by Ford Focus STs. Nothing wrong with an ST, but they are a bag of crap compared to some of these classics. The noise out of this 4.2 V8 engine was just unbelievable. I think I've got some footage of it later on in the video. This Volkswagen Cayman was on like air ride, so you could higher it and lower it depending on what height you wanted. It was really cool seeing that in action. As promised, there's some footage of some of the cars leaving, or at least the ones I like the sound of. As the Supra was leaving, a lovely McLaren happened to pull up at the same time, So it was great getting that on the video as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the content, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.